guys, Dirt and Rust here. Got another tool lot and eBay tool lot, and this one was $25, free shipping. Should be around 100 tools, random, probably mostly wrenches in here. So let's check it out. Ooh, smell the tools. You definitely smell these ones. Got some dirt and grease smell going on. Here we go. Guys. Oh, boy, these ones are pretty dirty compared to the last video, and I see some broken ones in there. Hopefully there's some jewels in here. We shall see. We'll take a closer look here in a second. Okay guys, started sorting through these, and you know, I'm not too happy with what I found in here. There's a few I'll show you that are not bad, but for the most part, I mean, it's not bad for $25, but a little disappointing. There's a lot of broken tools here. Just some general crappy tools. No-name tools, kind of generic, very rusty. And I picked out a few over here that are a little bit better. And I'll show you those a little closer here in a second. Okay guys, let me show you some of the wrenches that weren't bad. I mean, these are no-namers, but they have a cool look to them. There's like a little set, and got this one. It looks like a old Buffalo Barkalow. Just doesn't have the name inside of it. Very similar. So those are cool. Let's see. We got some True Fit here. Let's see. True Fit. Electrolyte. Not bad. And we got some kind of interesting ones, but they're, you know, they're bent. Somebody did this at home, so that's an SK there. This one was. This is a good one. I'm happy with that one. Barkalow Buffalo. Very cool. Got another one. Barkalow. Happy with that. Got a Proto here that somebody modified. And got a SK Wayne. So those are not bad. And I got some kind of the DIN 895 type wrenches, or for kit wrenches for Mercedes, BMW, stuff like that. This one, I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Neon. I gotta look up. So, you know, maybe I can clean those up. And we got a little Proto there, PNC, two PNCs there. This one was really cool. I like this one. International Harvester, little tractor implement wrench. Let's see the logo there. International Harvester logo. Okay, this is the last of them, guys. I was happy with the motorcycle wrenches. We got a Yamaha, 2 Kawasaki's, and a Honda, and a cool little chisel here. I'll have to see if I can get the name on that. It's a little vague there. I can't get it. Yep, that's it, guys. Here's the other ones over here. Maybe I'll go back through them again, see if there's anything else. But thanks for watching.